Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Gemini photo. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gemini apps, tap on this. After that, tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on this. Tap on three dot icon. You can see that for option this. Now go back. Tap on your profile. Tap on Gemini apps activity. You can see that your Gemini apps history. You can see here delete this button. Tap on select your choice. Delete last hour. Tap on delete. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.